Hello everyone, in this Photoshop tutorial we're gonna make an amazing product image by adding jewelry to a model photo. Now, this is the model photo that we are gonna use, and we will add these beautiful earrings to it. So, first off, let's cut out the earrings from the background. We'll do it with the object selection tool. Just select it, and then make selection of the earring. Now, as you can see, it didn't make a good selection of it. All we need to do is select the quick selection tool and just select the areas that Photoshop did not select for us. You can increase and decrease the size of the brush by using the left and right bracket tools. Bracket key, sorry. Like this. Now just copy it by pressing Command or Control C on your keyboard. On the model photo, first make sure to make a duplicate of the layer by pressing Command or Control J, or just right click on the layer and click on duplicate layer. Now, because the earring is big and it will add some weight to the ear of our model, first off we'll go to Filter and then Liquify. Now, with the forward to wrap tool, select it. Just make it like this, so that it will look more realistic when we add the earring. Press OK. Now, this is the before and the after. Now paste the jewelry. Press Command or Control T, or just go to Edit and then Free Transform. Let's lock the earring. Now just resize it so that it fits the ear. A little more, like this. Now, unlock it, on the width, just add a minus before that, press the Enter key, so that we flip it. So before the minus, as you can see, it has to be on the other side. We need to flip it. Press the minus, Enter. Now it's flipped, and now because we want to add some angle, we'll just a little bit transform it here. Now make sure you get it in the right position. Here is good. Now press OK. Now with the eraser tool, select the eraser tool, make sure the hardness is at 0. And just erase the earring so that it looks like it's behind here. Let's move it a little bit. Like here. Now, create a new layer and put it beneath the earring layer. Let's rename this to earring. Now, here just select the brush tool. Again, the hardness needs to be 0. And select a black color, or just let me select color from here, from the dark spot. And just be white, like here. lower the opacity. I will erase with the eraser tool a little bit, like here, so that it looks like it's pinched in the air. Now, once we are done, let's add some shadow to the earring. Select the earring layer and now press Command or Control key. Command is on Mac and Control key is on Windows, and just click on the earring layer. Make sure that this icon appears and just click on it, and we made a selection of the earring. Now with the brush tool, let's add another layer. Now with the brush tool, let's select a dark color again, or just change it from here like this. Now with the brush tool and the hardness at 0, just paint over here. Sorry, too much. And a little bit to the sides for a good effect. We'll add some darks here and here. Like this. Now, if you want, you can lower the opacity a little bit. Now, this is the shadow that we added on the earring. Now, for a more 3D effect, I like to select the eraser tool again, hardness at 0, and now just on the earring layer selected, I always like to erase a little bit right on the edges, so that we get a more 3D effect to it. Like this. Now, once you have the earring on the bottom, let's lower the shadows maybe more, the opacity of the shadows, like this, so that it looks more realistic. Now, once you have the earring on the model, we need to make a shadow on her skin. Now, grab the earring layer and press Command J to duplicate it. This will be the skin shadow. Now let's move it. Now, double click on the layer and add a color overlay. The color overlay needs to be black. Press OK. Now go to Filter, then Blur. Now Gaussian Blur. And now play around with the radius. Like this is good. Now press OK. Now let's position it. Like this. Now, just grab the eraser tool and get rid of the shadow that you don't want, like here. You want it to be only on the neck. Like this. Now I will lower up the opacity again. Like this. Now we have a beautiful shadow on the skin again. This is how the picture looks. Now this is everything you need to do. As you can see, the photo looks amazing. So this is the tutorial for today. If you like the video, press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop and Lightroom tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.